You look at the S&P 500, seen its 17.9% return in 2025 and thought, wow, that's impressive. Well, a complete mystery person with a white-haired anime girl as their profile picture just pulled off something that should be impossible. In the first 6 months of this year, their portfolio went up by a number that sounds like a typo, 4,502%. This anonymous trader turned roughly $4,000 into almost $180,000. He didn't buy Nvidia. He didn't buy AMD. He didn't even buy Bitcoin. He went completely off the grid, found a handful of companies you've never heard of, and somehow predicted the future. Wall Street is catching on. Hedge funds are trying to reverse engineer his every post on X. A single post from this ghost, who calls himself Serenity, recently sent an obscure British stock skyrocketing 90% in 2 days. So who is this person? How do they actually find these stocks? And most importantly, have we already missed the boat? Stay with me. This story is crazy. Part 1. Who in the world is Serenity? First thing you need to know is, you have probably already been looking at the stock market the wrong way. Most of us open X or YouTube and see Nvidia to the moon, or Microsoft is a forever hold. We do the logical thing. Buy the biggest names Wall Street is talking about and hope for the best. Serenity does the exact opposite. He goes where no one else is looking, into the boring, often ignored parts of the supply chain. But he wasn't always a genius. In fact, he started out just like any other retail trader. Back in 2022, he was lurking on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum under the username Aleabito, the same place where the GameStop saga was born. At the time, he was basically a meme lord, as he claims to be. According to his own stories, he once put over $100,000 into a trade simply because the stock chart looked like the belly of a bluefin tuna. He saw a fatty piece of fish in a candlestick chart and pressed buy. The most important turning point came in early 2022. Serenity wrote a 10-page research post on a tiny company called AXTE, a semiconductor materials company that almost no one had ever heard of. It was trading at about $6 a share. Instead of shouting to the moon, he laid out supply chain maps, patent data, and material science. The moderators of Wall Street Bets thought he was a pump-and-dump scammer and banned him permanently from the subreddit. The stock did exactly what he said. AXTI stock went from under $6 a share to nearly $10, a 50% gain in about 2 weeks. The stock did sell all the way back down after the hype died, and retail traders rushed to cut losses. But Serenity's thesis wasn't wrong. That little boring material did become the hidden bottleneck for the entire AI industry. That $4 stock after the sell-off is worth $90 today, and $143 at the highest. That is the moment Aleabito turned into Serenity, the AI supply chain guru. He's also got another nickname we'll discuss later. Part 2. The cheat code. Bottleneck theory. Behind all these antics, there is actually a cheat code here, and Serenity has given it a name, the bottleneck theory. Imagine a highway. Everyone stares at the big shiny companies in Tech City, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, whatever. But Serenity stares at the single bridge that every single car has to cross to get there. He doesn't buy the city. He buys the bridge. Or, if you want the shiso leaf version, Serenity explains, when you visit a high-end sushi restaurant, everyone focuses on the prized tuna belly. But what the kitchen truly cannot afford to run out of is shiso leaves. Without tuna, the menu loses a few dishes. Without shiso leaves, the entire restaurant might as well shut down. Tuna is the hype. Shiso leaves are the necessity. Right now, the entire AI revolution is hungry for compute power. Nvidia can sell as many GPUs as it wants, but each one of those chips depends on dozens of tiny and unheard-of components, special lasers, specific cooling tubes, compound semiconductors, substrates, and many others. When everyone is fighting for the same GPU, the bottleneck isn't the chip, it is the $5 part that you didn't even know existed. In his own research, Serenity breaks it down like a detective. He starts at the most advanced AI cluster in the world, then peels back the layers. What connects the GPUs? Optical cables. What powers those cables? Lasers. What makes the lasers work? A compound called indium phosphide. And who makes the world's supply of I and P? Almost literally just two or three tiny companies. One of them being that stock Serenity got banned for, AXTI. By the time Wall Street wakes up to the bottleneck, Serenity has already been holding for months. That is how a single anonymous trader beats every hedge fund on Wall Street. Not with magic or luck, but with boring, obsessive, second-grade digging into the stuff no one wants to read about. And here is where the FOMO comes in. Part 3. The stock picks. Proof it's not luck. Let's talk about the results. This is where the myth turns into reality. Case number 1. Raspberry Pi, ticker symbol RPI. This is a British maker of tiny credit card-sized computers that kids use to learn coding. In February 2026, Serenity posted a casual observation. AI developers were starting to buy Raspberry Pis as cheap testbeds for AI agents. He pointed out that the company's market cap was only about $5 billion. So a sudden surge in demand could be transformational. 2 days later, the stock was up 90%. Bloomberg, Reuters, and Yahoo Finance were all writing articles about the anonymous ex-user who moved a FTSE 250 stock. A ghost with an anime picture just made more headlines than most CEO press releases. Case number 2. Micron, ticker symbol MU. Serenity has been banging the table on memory chips for over a year, calling them the next NVIDIA. He argued that AI's insatiable need for HBM memory was structural, not cyclical. On May 27, 2026, Micron's market cap hit $1 trillion. The stock went from $80 to over $1,000. That's more than a 12x in less than a year. Case number 3. Sivers, ticker symbol SIVE. This is a Swedish photonics company that most analysts had never even heard of. In May 2026, the European Union finally passed its CHIPS Act 2, which specifically targeted photonics technology. Serenity had been openly holding Sivers stock for months before the news broke. By the time the press release hit, the stock had already climbed 10x, from a $150 million company to a multi-billion-dollar juggernaut. Every single one of these trades, Serenity shared on X for free. And every single time, retail investors who followed along made an absolute killing. Other than huge gains in stocks, Serenity is likely making even more money from his paid subscriptions. With over 47,000 followers in a paid tier that costs a few dollars a month, that's more than what most day job pays in a year. But he's not done yet. His influence is going international. Part 4. Hitting market limits. First, some context you need for this next part about limit up and down. Some stock markets like China, Korea, and Taiwan have a fixed daily trading range for every single stock to control volatility. Serenity's influence went completely nuclear when he moved on to post about the Chinese stock market. A few weeks ago, he wrote a thread in broken Chinese about a robotics parts maker called Leader Harmonic, a company that makes mechanical joints for humanoid robots. The stock had started to cool off after a recent rally. But the day after his post, shares hit the 20% daily limit up and kept running the days after. Within a week, the company's market cap had exploded past $11 billion. The Chinese internet gave him a nickname, which translates to the white-haired stock god. Serenity liked it and has adopted the name ever since. Just a few days later, he casually posted a list of about 30 stocks related to 800-volt DC EV charging. Just crowdsourced ideas from his followers. Not even his idea, not his thesis. Immediately, one of the tickers on that list, East Group, slammed into a 20% limit up. Even Serenity himself was confused. Before Serenity's post, the stock was heading down to a year-to-date low. At that point, the party just became a circus. Retail traders were no longer buying stocks because of fundamentals. They were buying whatever Serenity posted. The old GameStop mania is back, but it's no longer Roaring Kitty. It's Serenity's turn now. Part 5. FOMO and warning signs. Now for the part that no one wants to hear, the reality check. First, no one has ever confirmed Serenity's identity or his actual P&L. He claims to have been an AI researcher at Risk 5, an alternative to x86 that Intel and AMD dominate. Maybe even a competitor to NVIDIA's CUDA, and a person who turned down an offer from NVIDIA when the stock was at $6. Could that all be true? Possibly. Second, the every stock goes up narrative is dangerous. For every AXT that goes 5x, there are dozens of microcaps that go to zero. Serenity himself has publicly changed his mind on positions and has been wrong before. When you are following an anime avatar online, you are one bad X post away from buying the absolute top. Even seasoned analysts in China have started sounding the alarm. One Chinese securities professional, who had previously gone viral for roasting other market figures on the internet, posted about Serenity. These guys are going to get wrecked eventually. They think being overseas makes them untouchable. Regulators hate this, individuals moving billions in market cap with a single post. As of right now, Serenity has openly stated he does not hold long positions in some of the Chinese stocks he mentioned because he cannot participate as a foreigner. That means you might be piling into a trade that the leader himself isn't even in. So, where does that leave us? Serenity is a fascinating phenomenon, maybe even a once-in-a-generation trader. But the most important thing he has taught us is not a ticker, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's that true alpha comes from looking where nobody else is looking. Every industry has boring, ignored suppliers. Companies the big players can't live without that Wall Street has overlooked. Will Serenity end up as the next Warren Buffett? Perhaps, but likely not. But there will be more super retail investors on the internet. And you can either laugh at the anime profile picture or learn from it. Give us some support and smash the like button if you find videos like this one interesting, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.